This is a tough logarithm. And when it says equals 0, your eyebrows should be going up. This is going to be a strange one, okay? But let's go ahead and go through the process. So we know since they're being subtracted in here, that's the quotient rule. We broke them up into their own separate natural logs, right? Natural log of x squared, now 63. That exponent of 2 comes out thanks to the power rule. Now we can set this up as a proportion, right? Equals 0. 0 is the same as 0 over 1, not 0 over 0, just 0 over 1. Remember that. We can cross multiply. 1 times 2 times the natural log of x is just 2 times the natural log of x. Natural log of 63 times 0, just 0. Bam. Divide both sides by 2. We get the natural log of x still equals 0, right? 0 divided by 2 is still 0. And we put it back into our standard exponent form, right? Natural log of e is log base e of x. So what this is saying is e to the 0 equals x. Get some working room here, right? E to the 0 equals x. So if that was true, that would mean x would equal 1. But that is incorrect answer. Incorrect answer. You always double check. Plug in your values back into the original equation, see what happens. Okay, if we plug in 1 back into the original equation, we're going to get the natural log of a negative number, which we do not do. Okay, it's undefined at this time. So that is incorrect, right? That's incorrect. Wrong. So starting back from the beginning, the original problem, let's rewrite that into the regular exponential format and see what it looks like. Okay, so the log of base e of this equals that. And that's the same as saying e raised to the 0 equals this base number here, or this big number, x squared minus 63. And we know what e to the 0 is. It's simply 1. Now it looks like we just got a real basic algebra problem. We're going to add 63 to both sides. So we're going to take the square root of both sides, and we're going to get x has to be 8 or negative 8. But we're going to double check that as well. Let's plug that back into the formula. Right, 8 squared, 64 minus 63 is 1. So let's double check that. The natural log of 1 is 0. Natural log is log base e of 1, and that's saying the same thing as e to the 0 equals 1, and that is in fact true. So therefore, that is your answer. Hope you enjoyed it. MGZ out.